Today. Yeah. I go out and get some more garbage another time, but I couldn't face it. It was too hard.
That's fantastic. Trash from McDonald's is grosser than babies' diapers.
Oh yeah, we got everything.
I believe it. There's nothing worse. Have you seen Super Size It? Oh, the dude you've seen Super Size Me? It's a movie about this guy eats like 3 meals a day at McDonald's for a whole month, and they monitor his health and just watch it completely go down the tubes. You know, and they got this great scene in there of him puking up a big old Big and Tasty. To where his body starts just rejecting McDonald's food. You know, like no more toxins. Think about that, sis.
I'll let to drink some of that Humber with Brady. I'm going to have to get on the
experiment was a very good idea. To see exactly what the salts and the sugars within the fat fried food does to your body. I figure that it took you over 6 months to lose the weight. So if you just watch what you eat, you don't have all the toxins in your body. That's what I think. What do you think, Drexel Dave?
Every now and then, carbonated water.
Well, I'll tell you what I think. I think if you eat natural things,
Not too often.
see, well, natural things, of course, but you must always remember that your body is like something that needs to be scrubbed, and you need to eat food that scrubs your insides, like oatmeal and broccoli, popcorn, and the things that go down there, and they're like, they're scrubbing bubbles for your colon. They go down in your colon, and they're like, you know, scrub like little scrubbing bubbles for your colon. So that's why I eat oatmeal every day. Spinach makes my blood red. When I die, I hope my blood will bleed all over the earth.
Tell us how many times you sit on the bathroom toilet every day.
At least 3 times. I have 3 good movements and 4 big O's every day, and that is the way to keep the doctor away.
His mama's a very proud lady.